If you are looking for the best Sea Grill deals for Black Friday and Cyber Monday 2023, visit the links in the video description. About the Sea Grill's CPG 450A 6-in-1 Barbecue with Fire Pellet Grill, Barbecue Bake Roast Braise Smoke Grill. Convection cooking eliminates the need for a rotisserie and creates a versatile environment for grilling, roasting, smoking, braising, and baking. Upgrade, temperature and pellet feed control system. The new upgrade digital control board auto ignites the grill and allows you to set the cooking temperature from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Electric feed system maintains the heat for you from 180°F to 450°F and produce the optimal amount of smoke. Just set it and let it work, no more babysitting. Enjoy the cooking. Grilling area, 450 square inches grilling area, 15-pound hopper capacity. Foldable working shelf, heavy-duty all-terrain wheels, rust-proof cover and racks. Years, manufacture 3 year, please see the PDF file and support part for details. To use electronic auto start ignition, digital auto temperature control, LED temperature readout. Super easy cooking even for beginners. To clean, special designed waste oil collector to assist you with safe and easy cleanup. To move, upgraded cart with locking caster wheels. Steel-built, high resistance to corrosion means a longer lasting grill with a sleek and polished finish. Satisfaction, buy with confidence, as we offer 30 days refund replacement and 3 years. Brand and customer service. We're a US-based brand that has been making high-quality grills and smokers for more than 30 years. With warehouses in Los Angeles, California and Atlanta, Georgia, we've exported top-of-the-line products to Europe and all around the United States. We're proud of what we do and stand behind everything that we build.